everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Monday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2018 GMC Yukon XL SLT in a gray metallic exterior. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. Then as we make our way down the side, you'll also see that it comes with running LED fog lights with that beautiful black trim and chrome trim along that. Making our way here towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black row insert along with the chrome trim, not to mention that beautiful patented red GMC logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to point out here on the exterior before we go ahead and show you guys that beautiful interior. Here on your rear view mirrors, you will have blind spot monitoring as well as turn signal indicators on the front. Then on your door handles, you will have a proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket, press that button, it'll lock and unlock. Moving forward though, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. It's gonna come with a beautiful black leather premium interior. Not to mention on your dash, you will have that same black finish, as well as some of this chrome trim. And then you will have some of this wood grain finish here on your center console. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific GMC Yukon, your tire depths for the left and right front will be 6 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 7 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front will be 9 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 13 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful black leather premium interior will stay the same. Now a couple of things to point out back here as well. On your door handles, you will have a small storage compartment here, as well as some more storage down below. Behind the driver and passenger seat, you will have a 12-volt plug-in here to the right, and a normal 150-watt outlet here on the left. Not to mention, these back seats are heated, and you will have your own climate control back here as well, with a small storage compartment down below. And then in between the seats, you will have a center console pull down with 2 cup holders and a small storage compartment. And then not to mention, the size of this Yukon will allow for third row seating as well. Now at the rear of the vehicle, this vehicle will come equipped with a backup camera. Not to mention, it will have an automatic lift for your trunk. Now there's plenty of space already, even with the third row seating up for hauling groceries or anything you could possibly think of. Not to mention, you will have another storage compartment located here below. Go ahead and putting that back down. You will have your hooks back here in case you need to strap anything else down. Not to mention, these seats automatically fold down by the press of a button. All you'll do is you'll just press that down. There goes those 2 seats, as well as these ones back here for the third row. There you go. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Not to mention, it will have seat memorization and power seats. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here on your middle display from GMC. And you also notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 76,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you will have the option to change the brightness to your driver display, as well as all of your headlight options. Not to mention your 2 high and 4 high option there. Not to mention your some other options for your parking assist, your traction control, and your lane assist, and the option to change the height of your pedal will be there as well. Now here on the left knob behind your steering wheel, you will have all of your windshield wiper options for your front and rear, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your shifter knob. The left side of your steering wheel will be your cruise control options, as well as your option to change your heated steering wheel on and off. And on the right side, you will have your middle display options, as well as your touch to talk options. Coming here over into the middle, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready navigation, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. There it is. Now, if you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, you will have some manual options here below as well. The climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips below those manual options. Not to mention these front seats are heated and cooled, and you have the option to change from your heating to just the top to the top and bottom as well. Then here you will have a small storage compartment equipped with a 12-volt plug-in and two USB ports there as well. You will have 2 cup holders, and you will have a large center console equipped with 2 more USB ports, an auxiliary line in, 2 small storage compartments up top, and another 12-volt plug-in here on the left side. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have a lighting option for your driver and passenger. You'll have the option to hook this up to your garage door at home and open those garage doors by the touch of your fingertips up top. You have the option to change the height of your trunk lift. Then up front you will have a sunglass holder as well as another rear view mirror. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.3 liter V8F OHV 16V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I mentioned in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Making our way back here towards the passenger side of the body. These rims seem to be in very good condition, no curb rash. The tires are always in great condition. Your running boards are going to have some slight markings as well as some other stone chips down there below as well. Here on your door handle, you will have some slight imperfections there as well, some scratches up top. Making our way down here towards the body, there are going to be another couple of small imperfections. This rear tire is in good condition as well. Coming along to the rear, you are going to have a couple of your small typical trunk scratches back here. Coming along the driver's side of the body, no scratches, no marks, no dings there. Back here, this tire is also in very good condition. There's going to be a small paint chip here on the driver door. Not to mention this running board here on this side will have some slight imperfections as well. Other than that, this is an extremely clean 2018. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2018 GMC Yukon XL SLT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.